lift the handle up, turn it, and then you're going to take out the hose and we're going to add it. There's the cap. All right, so from here we're going to take out the dipstick right here. You take the dipstick out, put it away. We find a hose that fits what you're looking to do with a hose that fits in here. And this plug. Take the hose, we're going to slide it all the way down until you get to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to feel it hit the bottom. And we attach it to the evacuator. So now it's attached to the evacuator here. Here comes the oil. Pump it a bunch of times. Walk away. When you're at the end, it starts to sound like a Slurpee. Well, as you're finishing off the end of a, yeah. Okay, so that's it. We're done with the extraction. We pulled out all the old oil out of the car. So we're going to put new oil in, but that's all there is. That's how simple this machine is to use. I recommend anyone that wants to do their own oil changes to buy one of these. They are great. Easy, fast, clean. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great weekend. See ya.